Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, they had this cute just stand with a football on it. And if you know me, you know I love football. But I don't love the little kind of, I don't know, would you call it childish? I don't know what I would call it. But I don't love it, so I'm going to just take it off. I didn't even know it came off that easy. But I did find this maple bouquet. And I have some twine. That way it came from the automotive section of the Dollar Tree. So everything here is Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take a couple of these leaves and chop them right off, right at the base. And let's see, this one's kind of pretty. And then I'm going to take this one, which is not very pretty. And I'm also going to take this off and see if I want a piece of that as well. So I am back with my wonderful glue gun. So I'm going to take some of this and I'm going to put some glue right on the back here. I'm kind of just going to put the glue all the way up. And I'm not going to touch it. Getting smarter. There we go. And then I'm just going to start wrapping this around. I'm going to push it down and just continue wrapping it. I'm going to add a little bit more glue on here. And then I'm going to add even more glue. And we're going to really wrap this around and give it a nice thick coat of the twine here. Not worrying about what the front looks like, because thinking if the back is good, then the front's going to look good as well, and we can always fill that in if need be. So, getting a little lower here, and I do want it to go as low as possible. I hope I didn't get too far out of the frame there. Yes, look at how cute that looks. I'm just going to leave all these little bits and pieces. We're going to put one more little bit here. Take this and then cut out the piece there. And there we go. So it's all ready. Look, maybe I might cut a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. But I'm going to leave most of that raggedy pieces there. So then we're going to take this guy and I'm going to put a little bit here and put this on the back. And then we're going to take this beautiful one here. I'm going to put a little bit here and some more here and a little bit there. And hopefully this will all line up. There we go. So a little bit there and a little bit there. Very cute. And then I'm going to take one more. We're going going to put it right here. So we're still able to see that it is a pumpkin. I'm going to take some of this twine and we're just going to wrap it around maybe, I don't know, maybe 3 to 5 times. I'm not going to make a bow or anything. I'm just going to put the twine here and kind of just squiggle this twine, not making it anything amazing, and just put that down there. And then I'm going to take one little piece of this and we're going to glue that on here as well. And that's going to help to hold this down flat. And I'm going to put enough because I want it to be on the leaves. I want it to be on the twine and to do its job holding everything down in place. And there we go. So it's a cute little fall decorated, and it doesn't look so cartoonish, and it gives a little bit of decor for fall, especially if you've got the men at home that like football, the women at home that like decorating. This is a perfect piece for that. So I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed and would like to see more crafts, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again soon. Bye!